Want to upgrade your front yard with zero maintenance and full curb appeal? Artificial grass in 2025 is more creative, clean, and customizable than ever. Here are 10 modern front yard ideas using artificial turf, with examples to inspire your next makeover. Modern minimalist lawn. Keep things clean with a wide, rectangular turf area and crisp edges. Surrounded with white gravel or smooth concrete borders for contrast. This layout is perfect for modern homes and low-maintenance design. Geometric grass patterns. Create bold shapes using turf and concrete pavers in square or diamond layouts. This adds instant style while keeping the space usable. Perfect for small to mid-sized front yards that need structure. Artificial grass driveway borders. Line your concrete or tile driveway with strips of artificial grass. It softens the hard surfaces and makes the entrance more inviting. A smart way to mix functionality with green appeal. Curved turf with plants. Design flowing, curved lawn sections instead of sharp angles. Frame with desert plants or succulents for a soft, organic look. It adds movement and texture to your front landscape. Grass between stepping stones. Use turf between large stone or concrete pavers for a modern walkway. This keeps your path green all year without the mess of real grass. It's perfect for elegant entrances or side yard paths. Grass islands and gravel beds. Break up white or gray gravel areas with patches of green turf. Use round or oval shapes to create islands of greenery. A great look for minimalist or desert-style landscapes. Raised planter with turf surround. Build a raised garden or planter box in the center of your yard. Surrounded with artificial grass for a soft, clean finish. It creates a striking centerpiece while keeping maintenance low. Mixed turf and wood decking. Combine artificial grass with wood or composite deck sections. Use turf between deck boards or alongside stairs for warmth and color. This blend adds dimension and is perfect for entry areas with seating. Vertical green walls in the front yard. Install a small vertical wall with artificial turf as a design feature. It doubles as privacy and a unique decorative element. Pair it with lights or signage for a modern entrance look. Kids-friendly turf zone by the entry. Designate a soft play corner for kids using high-pile artificial grass. Add a bench or tree nearby for shade and comfort. It keeps the front yard practical, fun, and stylish. Front yard turf design in 2025 is about mixing beauty, structure, and zero effort. Which idea would suit your home? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Subscribe to Dubai Artificial Grass for more smart landscaping tips and modern turf inspiration.